So, what is it? It's only FBV Friday, and where's my Avata 360 DJI? Because I'm still waiting. So this is going to be a little bit of a moan. Never for me, of course. But also, yeah, it's going to be a moan because 26th of March, I pressed the buy button for the Avata 360 and expecting it that weekend. Nothing happened. Even though on the 26th of March, they got my money. And what's really getting up my nose now is what I call the YouTube gods, the people that were given the drone. Oh, you can do this, you can do that. Oh, it's wonderful. Even though I have seen some reports, it's not that wonderful, guys. I'm still going to have it because the way I see it is I paid for it from my own money. And to be honest, at the moment, I don't know if I like it now. One, because it's not like the anti-gravity A1 drone because of the weight. It's bigger than this. And then I'm thinking, what is it? Is it just a normal flying drone that does 360? Which to me would be boring. But if it is a FPV drone, which is obviously because it's called an Avata, why not call it something else? But from what I've been hearing lately with the stitching, it's all right when you're flying around the countryside, it's fantastic, no problem. But when you're getting up close, going through doorways like I do in windows, it does look a little bit, doesn't look right. And also, I watched another video, which I can't even think of his name at the moment, which I thought was pretty honest. The Avata 360 is going to be no good for estate agent work, especially inside, because it's so, can I say the word? Distorted. Because it doesn't look very good. I mean, I would imagine it sounds like I'm going to be the last person getting it, because a lot of you are getting yours like April 21st, 24, something like that, 26, as some other people were saying. And mine's coming by special delivery, of course, 28th of April. So yeah, so I'll be giving my honest opinion on it, guys. And at the moment, even though I haven't even got the drone yet, so it'll be interesting to see how much I change on that. But at the moment, I'm not really liking it. Right, if you've been watching the video, especially the screen save, I had a question in the week about, Shaun, where's the circle gone? And mine wasn't there at all. And he was saying, sometimes it's there and sometimes it's not. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to check the settings just to see if it's been turned off. Shouldn't be. I know we've had an update on the app, but it shouldn't affect the goggles free or nothing like that. So I'm just having a quick look at mode because that's interesting. Let's just check on camera, because I'm checking camera, video quality, camera, blah de blah, grid lines, center points on. Well, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go down the center point and turn it off a minute. Turn that back on and just see if that helps. Sometimes that works. Okay. Nothing. Oh, there it is. It's back now. But what I am going to do, because he did say, I'm just going to land it here a minute. All right. Into a bush, no doubt. Know me. Just to try it again, just to see if it's just like a one-off. Okay. Okay, got off that bit there. Obviously a bad leg. Yep, it's back again. So I think that's what you got to do. It's a bit like the computer sometimes, isn't it? When you get a problem with the computer, it just goes off on one. So yeah. But I want to thank the guy that I have put that up so you can see what's going on. Yeah. So and that's what I like about when I make these videos. Lots of you always say, Shaun, can you do this? Can you check this? And some I can check while I'm back in my study, sort of thing. And other times I have to do it while I'm out. But this circle, The circle is back, which is the main thing. And I've got the home point. I think that was another question that would come up about the home point. Right, let's just see. Oh, low battery. Oh, fantastic. All right, what I wanted to do, let's see if I can get past the camera. And I know what's going to happen, thinking about it, it's going to go back. Ooh. It's going to go back to where I last took off, I believe. This is what I see when Andy does it, when he's in his trees. Okay. As Andy, he would catch his, but I'm just not that. As you can see, I'm bouncing around there. Anyway, enjoy the next bit, because I love it. Catch ya. See you soon now. Sooner.
Just like Shaun the Drone. See you sooner.
Sooner.
Sooner, sooner, sooner. Just like your life ended. See you sooner. Sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner. Sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner. With the Roberts. See you sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner. Sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner. Sooner, 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 sooner. Pictures of Suffolk. See you soon.
Sooner.
Sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner.
See you sooner. Gonna see you sooner. Sooner. See you sooner. Gonna see you sooner.
Sooner, sooner, sooner.